Here we have the Lantech QL400 with the new touchscreen. A lot of changes on this. And John, our technician, is going to help us walk through setting up a new pallet configuration. So here we are at the touchscreen. We're going to hit create a new profile. Now you're going to look at your load and determine how tall it is. So this one looks like it's about between 40 and 80 inches. So we're going to go with medium. Now, is your pallet similar with A-type load? All sides are even. I'd say yes. So we're going to select that option. Now, is it inboard? Inboard is when the cases are further in than the edge of the pallet. So this one is. So we are going to select more than 3 inches. Now, our containment force. How tightly do we want to wrap the pallet? For this, I think a medium will be just fine. If you have some heavier objects, you might want to go higher. Now, this is the wrap height. This is how much film will go over the top of the pallet itself, utilizing the new laser eye on the film carriage. So we'll go slightly above, and then we will proceed. Now this is which film you're utilizing. Currently we have a 55 gauge, 20-inch stretch film on there. Just like that, you have which film you're using. So we'll move on to the next options. Now this is a cool feature. This is called Wrap Apps. Now this will allow some different things to happen. Top box secure. If you have someone who needs to place a box on top, it will slow down and allow that person to manipulate the film. Corner boards, if you have to put those in, it will slow on the corners for the first few wrap cycles to allow time to put those in. And also top sheets, where it will pause at the top. Now there's a few others, but it gives you an idea of all these were add-ons that you would have had to pay for prior to this new QL. Now we just enter the profile name. So for this one, we can just name it MDI. And then we'll proceed. Now you can associate colors with each wrap. Some people like to do different colors for which products they're wrapping. It helps the staff keep better track. So we'll go with red for this one, and we will save it. And now we are good to go. So we'll hit the Film Assist button. And that'll give us time to pull the film out and place it on the machine itself, or on the pallet, sorry. And then we will hit start wrapping. Now while it's wrapping, you can see what different adjustments you can do. It'll tell you the force to load currently, turntable speed, and you can see the laser eye searching for the top of the pallet. The new laser eye will give it a more accurate reading than the previous. Now watch as we get to the bottom. You'll see the roller kick out, creating a rope. They call this the pallet grip feature. And it'll actually lock on to the bottom of the corner, holding that load in place. Now if you watch closely, once it finishes its wraps, you're going to see a hole in the film. That's the auto cutoff feature that comes standard on the QL400. And as it rotates, it will actually tear away the film, and your fork truck driver is ready to take it away.